Amaonchoreria ase oroboti ronde egetambokero kia bwangoiga yekiombekerio korikaba kuri emeremo be serikali ya Public Service Commission kobeka amachika maya nigo bono ababwatani bekiombe ya Kusu Kenya University Staff Union banyara koba bakomochia egetambokero ekio agotabanga nigo amachika yo amaya arachia korenta hugwatana na bogokobaga egati yabakori emeremo ukwana chinga kecho no morikio monene oyo ochoro bwangoiga boso morikio omuya bwekiama ekio ya Kusu Dr. Charles Mugwana oyo tebire ne chingaki ekiombekio ya PSC Kenya koba kegwikaransa na bakori emeremo gurwa ase ekiombekio ya Kusu eri kobeka emeroberio erachia kobakonya kogendera semeroberio yabo yabotambe.
One thing that we are very much looking forward to handling, a bigger challenge to these members that we represent. There is something that has come courtesy of the Public Service Commission, the generic human resource instruments. This is a sacrilegious document. This is a document, if allowed to pass, it is going to decimate the hopes of workers and all employees in our universities. It's a document that is disenfranchising and devaluing the benefits that these members have enjoyed for the years they have worked. And so, as newly elected leaders, we are expected by our members, elected us today, that we are going to engage our employers and the government to come up with a better document. And we plead with the government, we plead with the employers, that it's only better that stakeholders sit and come up with not a document that is going to action of a few are enjoying. We're all lower by bound together. Discriminatory tendencies, because if we do, then we will be violating the relevant laws of this country. It's not the Constitution of Kenya, it's not the Universities Act, and all other enabling legislations we will be violating. And the public service needs to know this. The Public Service Commission has the regulations of its own. They should not violate their own regulations. Let them guide universities appropriately and without prejudice. Engage with all the stakeholders. Our members are expectant. There are issues that these members are expecting that this new office will be able to tackle and be able to succeed in bringing benefits to them. One of those expectations is the 2025-2029 National Collective Bargaining Agreement. The agreement is currently on the table. We are scheduled to meet with our social partners on 4th and 5th of May this year to try and negotiate and conclude that particular agreement. And therefore, to our members, we want to assure them that we're going to put our best feet forward to be able to get this particular